1 cat, 5 dogs, 2 kids, and a puppy. Sometimes you are given a once-in-life opportunity. Come with us on this crazy journey as we quit our jobs, sell everything, and move our family from Colorado to Texas. We accidentally did it again, and we forgot to film something important. The installation of stove pipe. But here's what we did. It took us long enough to figure out the 2 adapters that goes there, and then back here we had to do a little jog over. Put a clean out tee in, jogged over, and then of course we had to make a slide piece, or had to buy a slide piece because it was a solid install from there to there. But it all came together. First startup. We shall see. Hopefully it doesn't leak.
My whip.
Alright. Katie,
Yes.
you want to tell us about what's happening?
We're gonna make it go faster. Hopefully.
We're going to make it go faster?
Yeah. Hopefully.
What's this about?
I asked Santa for a whip for Christmas.
For a whip for Christmas?
Yeah.
And this is what he brought you?
Yep.
Off-road capable. Got it?
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can adjust the throttle on it.
Yeah. Maybe make it go faster.
Hopefully.
Only if you can move. Wait, this bow's tight.
Alright, come up on the seat, Adam.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Go into it, floor it.
Floor it?
Yep. Okay, let go. Alright. We need block.
So it's doable?
I think so.
Okay.
Those boards in there.
Got it.
Tire up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn her on. More we had after
Yeah, after you moved it, I was like, oh my god, I can push it forward a little bit more. Yeah. Like I pushed it forward a little bit more and then just
yeah, then it went way faster.
yes. I can feel it there. Is this one good?
Push it.
Huh?
Stay right there. Okay, let go.
Let go?
Yeah. I'm going to start it to see if it will either.
I don't think kids need to drive that anymore. I feel like it's like, oh, I'm okay. Oh, Just do all of it. There. Okay, let's pull this thing out. Oh, we gotta move all that stuff and all the tools.
Alright, back it up.
Wait, we have to back it up. I'll push for here. Okay, that's
Our throttle cable was a little bit loose.
What?
It should be a lot faster now.
Okay.
I think it's going to be faster now.
Yeah.
You gonna go up to by the mailbox?
Yeah.
Okay. Just don't turn around on the pavement, okay?
Okay.
Turn around in the field.
Okay.
For Christmas, I got a Bluetooth speaker set for the shop. So I'm gonna play around and set that up. LED lights. It's loud. We're watching our own channel. Thank you. Pretty good. Christmas morning.
Mess.
Me and Miss Sheena are hanging out. Kids are outside playing. We got the pit boss fired up. We got a, what, 7-pound, 8-pound prime rib on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take that over to Mom and Dad's house and go have Christmas dinner with them. We have a disaster going on in here now after this morning's shenanigans. We had kids texting us at 4 a.m.
Because we wrapped the
because we wrapped the hallway door. Over there, we put wrapping paper across it so that they couldn't cheat and come out in the morning. As soon as they heard our door cracked, they were running through it. But yeah. Merry Christmas to everybody, and we'll come up with some other projects we're doing this week.
Yep.
We got a few projects on the list for this week.
5 or 4 in the morning, I got up.
Hi, Fred.
Hello.
Tell us about you. What's your stats?
I don't know what stats are.
You don't know what stats are?
No.
What's your name?
Kaydance.
Kaydance what?
Freddie K.
Freddie K?
Yeah.
What's your nickname?
Freddie K.
Freddie?
Yeah, Freddie.
How'd you get the nickname Freddie?
I'm actually not quite sure. Actually, my dad, when I was young, we would go places early in the morning, like yard sales and all that. And my dad would go, "Are you ready, Freddie?" And I would say, "Yeah." And so it just a few years later, my dad said that's her nickname.
So now all of your family calls you Freddie, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah. Does Riley call you Freddie?
No.
No. Mostly just me?
Yeah.
Yeah. How old are you?
9.
So we just had Christmas, right?
Mhm.
And what did you get for Christmas?
I got an off-road and gas-powered go-kart.
A go-kart.
Yeah.
So is that gonna be your new thing?
Yeah.
You gonna go make some trails in the pastures?
Yeah.
Have you ever gotten hurt?
Yeah. I broke an arm jumping off a table.
You broke an arm?
Jumping off a table. It was a tiny table about this big. I jumped off it because Riley was jumping off it, and I fell and landed on my arm.
How old were you?
About 4 or 5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
And then we went to the hospital, and my dad made this funny balloon with the gloves. And then I don't really remember what happened, but all I remember after took it off was I was screaming and yelling because I thought they were gonna cut me with a knife.
Yeah, you were pretty young then, huh?
Yeah.
Who's your hero?
Probably my dad.
Oh.
He saved my life multiple times from disasters.
Who's your favorite person?
My aunt, Robbie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like hanging out with her?
Yeah.
Why do you like her?
Because she's super pretty, kind, and cute.
Aw. Do you got any closing thoughts to tell the people?
Have a good life. Goodbye.
There you go. Kaydance, aka Freddie.
Signing out.
What are we doing today?
Well, today was Tuesday, which is our coffee date days.
Yep.
So we went and got coffee. And now we're gonna get stuff to work on the shop.
Yeah, we're at Lowe's.
And
You get lumber to build workbenches and stuff.
yeah, and then we've got UPS and a whole bunch of other stops to do in a very short amount of time.
You got all day.
Options. Too many options.
All right.
That was eventful.
Yeah, leaving Lowe's.
Lots of choices.
We had the local pastor yelling at people in line to hurry up because they were talking too much. But that was pretty funny. And then we got us some melamine, and that stuff is stupid sharp all the time.
It never fails. We always get like a slice and it either bleeds or it doesn't bleed, but it hurts. And if your hands are dry, it hurts even more.
Cut me all the way across the palm. I don't know. Stuff's like razor blades on the edge.
It was an eye-opening, I guess, trip.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's
It's not that we're not religious, because we are.
well, I mean, I don't
Not
know if
religious. We're spiritual.
Or that's the way that people always say it. We're spiritual.
Yeah.
That's not necessarily true. I don't know. You get approached by the pastor of the local church.
Being told you don't go.
You guys don't go to church, huh? I'm like, well, yeah. Because we told him we were from Colorado, and he's like, oh, so you guys don't go to church. I'm like, okay, well, Texas isn't the only place that has churches, bruh. But either way, he was a nice old man. He got a little carried away with the my church thing, but to each their own. We got a couple more stops to make. We got stuff for our bed frame.
Headboard, footboard,
Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff.
tables.
More projects.
Yep.
More projects. Alright, we're back in the shop. Gonna make a leather working roll around table on casters with a melamine top. Melamine is ridiculously sharp on the edge. So, we're going to take the router the edge, and flip the board over, router it again, so that way we got a little bit of an overhang so we don't cut ourselves. Today's project is working on building head footboards for me and Sheena's bed. got some old barn wood. And we are making posts with old barn wood. See how this turns out. Haven't recorded very much today, but this is how far we've made it so far. So we'll keep going and see if we can get this one wrapped up today. So I didn't end up filming the bed build too much, just was trying to hurry and get it done. This is our headboard piece. I'm using in tung oil. See if I can get some lighting correct in this. Here's the footboard before it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and brush a bunch of oil onto it, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Alright, got it all oiled up. I think it turned out really pretty. This color is like, I don't know, like cedar almost or something. Is what it turned into. But yeah, it's really pretty. And the headboard is over there. So yeah, just gotta install it in the house after it dries now. The lens is fogged really bad.
Because it's so foggy out. It's yucky.
Look who showed up. Come hang out with us, Texas baby. Oh no, our camera's gonna die.
Oh no.
But I guess you're leaving now.
Storm watch.
It's a quick but nice little trip.
Come out to see us in Texas.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna hail.
All right, we're back at projects. What do you got going on?
Today I'm gonna be practicing welding.
Practicing welding for
A go-kart.
for school, right? Mm-hmm. You should probably make that jug of gasoline before you start trying to weld over here, huh?
Yes. You're not even moving.
So Riley's school project this year is to learn fabrication. So he is going to build a go-kart. So step one of building a go-kart is you need to learn how to weld. Mm-hmm. So we're going to do some welding teaching and then let him take off on his own. You're going to need to get some long sleeves on.
Okay, I have my hoodie out in the truck.
Okay. Guess I should have got some leathers, but that's it. You'll be alright.
I can show you.
I'm ready.
10, 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoa.
If it's doing that, it's because you're touching the copper piece is touching, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep. There you go. Okay, that's a start. First weld. Okay, here's what you're doing. You're going way too fast, right?
Okay.
You're not letting it fill up. Yep. Oh yeah. See? Now you're starting to get there. Riley's over here practicing some welding. And I'm gonna build a chicken coop. He just turned 11. He's doing pretty good so far. Figuring it out. Alright, here's what we have so far. We have the door framed 2-foot side on here and a ridgeline post right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put 2x4s across the tops there and then run rafters up to the top. Also, this is not my design. I stole this from another YouTuber. The Cook Family Homestead built one of these and I thought, well, that's a super easy design to put together. We're gonna change it a little bit. I think we're gonna put 10 on the roof instead of a tarp. But yeah, and then we can move it around out in the pasture and they can eat everything in the grass and whatnot. So yeah, not my design, but it's coming together. This is exactly how we wanted to spend our Saturday night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
I really rolled my go-kart.
Riley rolled your go-kart.
Yeah.
You filled it up too much.
Oh my gosh.
Tires so bouncy.
So what are we thinking?
Blue cast.
Blue cast?
Light blue.
Do you think that arm is blown out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Hey.
We made it back to the waiting room. How you doing?
Good.
Huh?
Yeah.
Your arm's a little curvy.
What's oh Kirby? But Kirby, he's pink.
It's curvy.
Oh.
It's curvy.
Yeah.
See that little guy right there? Yeah, that little guy. How you doing?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I want to cry.
We just walked back in the house. Round 2 interview with Kaydance.
Hi.
Hi. So, do you wanna, in your own words, give us a little rundown of today's events?
My brother said, "Do you want to go riding?" And I said, "Yeah." And so halfway through riding, we noticed my tire fell off, and so we had to get that fixed. My dad pumped the air up, and we did one round, and then we did another round, and that's when we tipped and fell over, and I broke my arm in 2 spots, and then we went to the hospital.
What were you riding in?
My go-kart.
In the go-kart? Riley is pretty upset. He's over at Nan's hanging out because he hurt his sister. So we gotta go get him tomorrow. Maybe we'll interview him about the accident and see what he has to say. Yeah. Life on the Texas
Ranch.
mini ranch, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Put on something warmer.
Okay.
Okay, let me go find a big shirt to put on over you for afterwards.
Okay.
So it's your big day.
Mhm.
What are we doing this morning?
I'm not quite sure.
Here you are.
What surgery? Because I remember he's talking about 2.
You're just gonna go get surgery, right? On your arm?
Right here. That's all I remember.
Yeah.
And also metal plates and screws.
Metal plates and screws, probably.
He said like 4 screws, I think.
Because you broke it right at the radial nerve. Right?
That's
So we can't
right.
just cast it. Gotta go in and make sure that we keep that nerve safe so you don't lose your hand.
Yeah, because then I won't be able to do what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
So 2-hour surgery shouldn't be a big deal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what'd they do to your arm?
They cut it open, put screws and I think a metal plate in it, and then they also, I think they sewed me up, and then they started moving my arm around to put the other bone in place because it was like, there was like this one, and then there was the other one, and this one
Yep.
was like to the other one.
Yes. So they moved it around and put it in place.
Yeah.
Then they closed you up with staples.
No?
Yeah.
Oh. And then they gave my daddy a picture of the x-ray.
We have lots of pictures.
We got pictures of the x-rays. So now we're headed home. We're gonna go sleep, huh? Looks like you're feeling pretty good though.
No, we're gonna see Nana.
Yeah, Nan's gonna come over. We're gonna go home and relax, huh? It's been a long couple days, huh?
I'm not tired anymore.
Now you're feeling good now?
Yeah.
That's
not
good.
tired.
That's good. All right, day 3 of our chicken tractor project. It's been a hectic last few days. Kaydance breaking her arm, going to surgery, all that stuff. So, chicken tractor. We got a bunch of tin now. We're gonna tin the end of that and then down on the bottoms and build some egg boxes or nesting boxes on the end. So that's the project for today. All right, one chicken tractor complete with nesting boxes. I didn't film the end of it, but there's the front. We got it all, what do they call it? Chicken meshed up. And then we have some heavier duty wire on the bottom, so nothing can like break through the bottom. I went ahead and like enclosed the back part of it and put nesting boxes that stick out. The back just has a single latch on it. Then there's 6 boxes, which is overkill, but I think we might end up with like a dozen, which would be too many eggs a day anyhow. But you know, we got our parents will take some, and maybe the neighbors, and the dogs will eat them. You know, you never know. But got to build a couple of perches in the back for him. We put some eyelets on it here so we can move it. It's not too heavy really, but I might end up putting some wheels on the back so you can just pick up the front and pull it, because with the back being solid like that, it did add a little bit of weight to the back side of it. But yeah, should work. Go set it out in the field and go find some chicken now. And that's the end of this video. The last couple weeks have been crazy, but we're still moving forward. You know, as always, you never know when you might get your once in life. Stay positive, stay motivated, be a good person. We'll see you in the next video.